Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Dogecoin on Robinhood and want to move it to a more secure Arculus wallet in 2025, you're in the right place. With crypto regulations and tech evolving rapidly, withdrawing your assets has never been easier or more important for your financial security. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it confidently in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you have the Robinhood app or website open and your account logged in. Head over to your portfolio section, it's usually right on the main dashboard. Look for your Dogecoin holdings, it should be listed under cryptocurrencies. Once you find it, tap or click on it to open the details. Next, locate the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. In 2025, Robinhood has streamlined this with enhanced security features, like biometric verification, so go ahead and authenticate if prompted. Now, select External Wallet as your destination. This is where you'll enter your Arculus wallet address. Double-check this address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, and one wrong character could send your Dogecoin into the void. After entering the address, specify the amount of Dogecoin you want to withdraw. Robinhood might show you any applicable network fees up front, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and review the transaction summary. You'll likely need to approve it via email or two-factor authentication for added security. Sit tight while the transaction processes. Depending on network congestion, this could take a few minutes to an hour. Once it's done, check your Arculus wallet app to confirm the Dogecoin has arrived. Pro tip: always use a hardware wallet like Arculus for long-term storage to protect against hacks. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Dogecoin from Robinhood to your Arculus wallet in 2025. It's a simple process, but staying vigilant is key in the crypto world. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge together.